Sushi bus.
Now let me show you some of them. The new restaurant is open. Let's check it out. Hot pot. Let's prepare the hot pot. Quail egg. Beef. Hot pot meatball. Enoki. Shrimp. Shiitake. Shrimp. Be sure to remove the dark line from the shrimp. Cut scallion. Sliced ginger. Mashed garlic. Mashed chili. Let's start the stir-fry hot pot oil. Scallion, ginger, and garlic. Spice. Chili. Rock sugar. What kind of hot pot would you like? Copper hot pot. Add the burnt charcoal. Pour in the fried hot pot soup base. It's time for hot pot. The hot pot is ready. Let's try it out. Hot pot. Hot pot is an original Chinese cuisine with a long history. People gather together and eat while they cook. They can not only enjoy the delicious food, but also get close to each other. Tofu. Mapo tofu. Pour tofu into the pan and cover it with broth. Mapo tofu is ready. Wow, the mapo tofu must be delicious. Let's try it out. Tofu. As the most common soy product, tofu is common food in China that is rich in nutrients and can be cooked in many ways. Dumplings.
Put those dumplings in the frying pan.
Stir the dumplings so they won't stick together.
Done. Turn off the heat. Choose your favorite sauce. Spicy sauce. Sour sauce. Sweet sauce. Spicy sauce. Sweet sauce.
Dumplings. Dumplings are traditional Chinese food. At many places in China, people will get together and have dumplings during festival.